The greatest financial trap in the world is invisible when you first step inside it. It begins with a paycheck that makes you feel powerful, independent, and finally in control. For the first time, money feels like freedom you can hold in your hands, but freedom quietly begins to disappear the moment responsibility arrives. Every dollar already has a destination before you even touch it. And something far more valuable begins to slip away unnoticed: your time. You enter the system believing it will reward your loyalty. Days begin to blur together, unnoticed and unrecoverable. You tell yourself this is just the beginning. The salary grows, but so does your dependence on it. Your lifestyle expands to match your income, and time accelerates without asking permission. You begin trading life for security. Years pass faster than you expected, and the system quietly becomes your permanent reality. You move forward, believing progress means you're getting closer to freedom. The numbers improve, but the feeling remains the same. You upgrade your life, believing comfort equals success, but comfort slowly replaces purpose. Time accelerates as your awareness fades. You work harder to maintain what you've built. Years disappear quietly. Without warning, you begin to see the cost of waiting. Money increased, but freedom never arrived. You realize you traded possibility for predictability. The system was never designed to make you free. It was designed to keep you dependent. And most people never notice until it's too late. But awareness creates the opportunity to escape. The moment you see the trap is the moment you can leave it. Freedom begins the moment you question the path you were told to follow. Because most people never stop long enough to see another way. But those who see it early gain something far more valuable than money. They gain control over their time. Because time, not salary, is the true measure of wealth. And once you understand that, everything changes. You stop selling your life 1 hour at a time
and start building something that belongs to you.
Something that grows beyond your effort and continues working even when you stop. This is when you finally reclaim your life, not by earning more, but by needing less permission to live. The earlier you escape, the more of your life you keep.